Changing your phone number on Google Wallet is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information easily. Step 1. Open Google Wallet. Launch the Google Wallet app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to update. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu button, usually located in the top right corner of the app. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Update phone number. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Account Information or Personal Information. Tap on it and then find the section for your phone number. Select the option to edit or change your phone number. Step 4. Enter new phone number. Input your new phone number in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure accuracy. After entering the new number, tap on Save or Update to confirm the changes. Step 5. Verify your new number. You may receive a verification code via SMS to your new phone number. Enter this code in the app to verify the change. Once verified, your phone number will be updated successfully. Now you have successfully changed your phone number on Google Wallet. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Google S Help Center for further assistance.